Hi everyone, so today we'll learn how you can toggle the activity bar in Visual Studio Code. As you can see, I've already opened the Visual Studio Code and the activity bar is on my right hand side. In your case, it could be on the left hand side, but in my case, it is on right hand side because I prefer the right hand side activity bar. So to hide the activity bar in Visual Studio Code, you need to go to this icon and you can see it is written Customize Layout. Simply click on that icon and here you will find activity bar. Currently it is visible, and if I want to hide it, I can simply click on this icon. You can see it is gone. In a similar way, if I want it back, I can click on it. So that is the one way to toggle the visibility of an activity bar in your Visual Studio Code. There's one more way. Let me show it to you. For that way, you have to open the command palette. You can open the command palette by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus P, or you can simply go to View, click on command palette. Here you simply need to type activity bar. You will get these two options. The first one is focus, that is to make it visible again, and the second one is hide activity bar, to hide it. So if you want to hide it, click here, it will be gone. To make it visible again, follow the same process that we followed earlier. Go to View, click on command palette. So you can see it is already appearing here because I earlier searched for it. You can simply click here to make it visible again. So these are the two common ways that you can utilize to toggle the visibility of activity bar in Visual Studio Code. So I hope you understood how to do so. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.